What's up guys, welcome back to another video. No wait, should I say video or should I say vlog? नहीं आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा vlog करने वाला है ना अपन. Welcome back to another vlog. So like I said in my previous video, we're going to do something new today. And by new, I did not mean that I'm going to vlog a little more. What I meant was that we're going to talk about something that we unintentionally haven't really happened to on this channel yet. Yes, I'm talking about sneaker customization. Love it or hate it, but there is one thing that you definitely cannot do. That is ignore the art of sneaker customization. It's pretty inherent that sneaker culture thrives on the stories behind the sneaker. And what customization allows you to do is that it lets you add a personal touch to a sneaker, thus creating their own story. Sneaker customization has already blown up in the world. So naturally, many talented artists were able to build massive businesses around this idea. Some of the most famous ones being Shoe Surgeon, Frey Customs, and not to forget, the most popular one in India, our very own Che. And I know for a fact that Chaitanya's favorite silhouette to customize on has pretty much been the Air Force Ones. What we are going to do is we are going to head out to the Marketplace by Main Street store and hope to find that sneaker there. So let's go. So we're headed to the Main Street Marketplace store like I said, and I'm not going to show you the store in detail because I'm going to do a separate store tour for you probably in the next 2 or 3 videos, so stay tuned for that. So here we are. Now I'm not going to give you a detailed tour like I said because we're going to make a different video for that. So let me quickly go in and grab the pair that we want to customize today, and I'll see you back. Alright, so here we are back in the studio and we have Mr. Chaitanya Dixit himself right here.
Hey guys.
Now before we get started with this customization process, I would like to tell you that Main Street was kind enough to hook me up with these pair of hyped Air Force Ones. And not just that, they've even teamed up with me to give away something really special in this video, which you will probably realize as we move further in the video. So here we have the sneakers that Che is going to customize for me, and let him do the honors of unboxing this one as I usually do this in every other video.
Dig into the Air Force One low, but make it hype. This is the Nike Air One Supreme. It's just Nike Air One, but Supreme. So it's an Air One. It's a normal Air One.
Yeah.
This is Supreme Air One. There's no difference.
So this is one of the major reasons why I chose this shoe, apart from the silhouette being Chaitanya's favorite, because I would want to have more Supreme on the shoe because
I think we need to do some justice to the shoe. I mean, Supreme has come up with multiple super collabs with Nike in the past. I think this was a customer's dream to get a Supreme AF1 to customize, so I can do justice to the shoe properly and make something I think Supreme would feel proud of.
Right.
I guess to make this more Supreme.
Yeah, make this more me. You know, put my elements.
I think because
into the
I think
shoe.
Supreme. I think for me, Supreme as a streetwear brand is supposed to be more loud. It has to be more out to the public like that. And this is just too simple to be Supreme. So
Correct.
we're gonna change it up a bit and.
Probably if this box logo would have been bigger, so that would have been more like Supreme.
Or there would have been just more of them.
Yeah,
I mean,
couple of more.
One
random.
box logo is just a single box logo. So I think we can do something with like putting up multiple box logos.
So Chaitanya, tell me, like I told my viewers that I'm going to take them through the process to know a bit more about what goes on behind customizing a sneaker.
Yeah.
So tell me, why do people customize sneakers, like, you know,
So
as per you?
customization is pretty much giving uniqueness to sneakers and making them as unique as possible. So even if there's a shoe launching which has like 25,000 pieces, there's still 25,000 people going to be wearing it.
Exactly.
But when you get a custom shoe, it's something that only you have, or that you have. It's super limited. It's something that only you have it. Like nobody else in the world is going to have it. So it also gives you that exclusivity factor.
So tell me something, do people actually, like, you've customized sneakers for a lot of Bollywood celebrities,
Yeah.
you know, like I think Ranbir Kapoor,
Yeah.
Arjun Kapoor, and many of those guys. So do you think these guys actually wear their customized sneakers, or it's
Yeah,
more
yeah,
like
yeah.
a trophy? You know.
I mean, depends because I mean it depends on the shoe itself. I mean, I saw Ranbir wear the Jordan one that I made for him, and yeah, I guess it's something more wearable because even
Okay.
I've seen a lot of people wear customs too, like Anand wears the Oswegos, the Marciards, and
Right. So, what's the most interesting sneaker that you have customized? I mean, it may be your favorite, or it may be something that your client came up with and you ended up liking it a lot.
So recently I came up with this new project, the Art Force One project, where I started incorporating artwork on shoes.
Okay.
So that's supposed to be like my niche right now and something that I love a lot, and just putting out artwork down on shoes, and yeah, it's pretty simple.
Alright, so coming back to this very sneaker, the project that I have in mind. So I spoke to Chaitanya a couple of days back and I told him about this idea where I want to do something related to Supreme, me being a Supreme head, and I'm like kind of crazy over Supreme. So that's how I spoke to him, and you told me you have some
Yeah.
ideas. So what do you have in mind?
So I mean, I've taken inspiration from a lot of Supreme designs that have been done in the past and that I've been a fan of. And yeah, I've just tried to incorporate them on the shoe in a way that it's presentable and looks more Supreme. Yeah.
So I think I was thinking before, I don't know if you will approve that or no, that probably we could use the box logo and create an accessory around it, since I have a lot of accessories.
So more
or
than
something, I don't know, actually I have no idea what is to be
so
done.
more than an accessory, I'm going to be using a lot of collabs that Supreme has done in the past with Gone skateboarding and stuff
Okay.
like that, and where they made a fake box logo where Supreme was spelled as SUPREAM.
Correct.
So I'm going to be using that element, and yeah, and I mean that's one collab which was very underappreciated, I think. And yeah, I'm just going to be emphasizing the one box logo for that collab, and there's going to be multiple other elements from previous drops that have been made. Yeah.
So like I told you guys before that I'm friends with Chaitanya from quite some time
Yeah,
now.
from the start.
So and he is pretty much aware how crazy I am behind Supreme. So I have already given him my inputs, what I want from the shoe, but I can totally trust him as I don't think there's anyone else who really understands me better and who would make the right design for me.
Look. I'ma rap till an old man. Me and hoes don't hold hands. Hand in my pants in the mouth on my dick when I slow dance and I blow bands. Oh man. Give M's to my fam. Winning against me, you have no chance. I advance in the smoke plants, enhance my stance. Step on your whole colony like some ants. Look, ho, I'm the champ and my flow trippy like a lava lamp. Kush gang the camp.
Alright, so fast forward to a couple of hours later, Chaitanya has already completed this shoe, which you are extremely excited. I haven't seen it until now, by the way. So before we go ahead and unveil the sneaker, I would like to tell you that the surprise that we were talking about, the big giveaway, was that we are going to give away this very pair. So the idea behind it ideally was for me to do this and keep it as a trophy in my background for all the videos, because it is sort of what represents me and what I do. But then we discussed and we thought we rather have one of you guys who are loyal, who have been loyal supporters for Chaitanya and me, and let one of you guys have it as a memento, and probably you guys will appreciate it and keep it for life. If I come to know you're going to resell this, then you've had it, so watch out.
Yeah.
So anyways, for a chance to win this, all you have to do is nothing but be real and go crazy. Go and engage with all our content on Instagram. Go and like all my videos on YouTube. I want you to go through everything. So I know for a fact that not every one of you guys are going to go through the effort of doing this, but that is in a way what we want, because we don't want we only want our genuine followers to actually go and engage with everything. Yet again, probably if you already have, then fantastic, thank you very much.
But yeah, everyone go follow Karan Khatri Official, Chaitanya Dikshit, and yeah, just like all our posts and all his videos, and you can get this pair for absolutely free.
Alright, so let me sum it up for you. All you have to do is follow me and Chaitanya on Instagram, and obviously you have to follow Marketplace by Main Street, because they were the ones who were kind enough to sponsor this video and also get me this awesome pair for Chaitanya to work his magic on. So follow 3 of us, and apart from that, it's just about who you are and how much you like us. So go and engage with everything, and I will pick a random video or an Instagram post like I said, and choose one lucky winner who will get this very near and dear pair to me and to Chaitanya.
Yep.
So that's about it. So now let's go ahead and unveil this shoe, and let's see how it has turned out to be.
Yeah, let's get KK's first reaction. So one thing that I know that you didn't like about the pair was that there was only Supreme.
Correct.
Whereas KK in his collection has Supremes, so he wants a lot of Supreme, a lot of Supreme, a lot of Supreme, like Supreme. See that? So like a lot of Supreme. So what we decided to do with the pair was just bring justice to Supreme, and yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead.
KK, you see the KK first.
Oh yes, I do.
So yeah, let's open the box.
Oh wow.
Get the shoes out.
Fuck, this is amazing. So this is the logo that you used from the recent drop, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh wow, it's a bandana print.
So we've there's this one T-shirt that Supreme has made, which has all the Supreme logos on it.
Oh yeah, even that's the one from the current season, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Guys, so here's a Gons collab,
Wow.
and thus we have the Supreme and the Futura, and the Arabics box logo, and like multiple. There's a lot of Supreme logos over here. And on this one, we went with the very iconic Hebrew logo that a lot of people don't know about, but yeah, that's the Supreme Hebrew logo.
So that's about it, guys. These
Yep.
were the awesome sneakers, and I'm extremely happy with what Chaitanya has done.
As
Going
always.
by the fact that he's used as much Supreme as he could from the recent drop, and also some of the iconic ones before. So overall, I think I'm extremely happy with this pair, and as much as I want to have it, but I think I would rather be happier if one of you guys can have it and keep it for life as a memento. So that's all from us for today, and I'll see you next week with another one. Peace. Phone silent. I can't keep on silent. I have to get a call from Adidas to confirm my slides.